Good morning everyone. This is Shalini teacher. Welcome to module 3. In this module, we shall discuss about the dual government in Bengal. Let us first recapitulate what we have studied in our last module. After Battle of Buxar, Clive defeated the Indians and Mir Qasim fled, while the others signed the Treaty of Allahabad with the British. As a result, all territories were returned to the Nawab of Awadh except Kora and Allahabad, which were given to the emperor along with an annual pension. Mir Zafar was brought back as Nawab of Bengal, though the Nawab continued to be responsible for the administration of the provinces. The revenue from the land now went to the British. This was called the system of dual government, an unfortunate system that ruined Bengal. The company did not use the revenue it collected to make any improvements in Bengal, which was steadily drained of its wealth. This system continued till 1772, when Vaughan Hastings became the governor of Bengal and abolished it. Dual government in Bengal, 1765 to 1772. What does dual government means? Dual government means double system of administration. The system of dual government was introduced in Bengal by Robert Clive of British East India Company. This system remained in practice during the period from 1765 to 1772. Thus, the dual government of Clive proved to Bengal a failure. It gave rise to several complicacies in the administration of Bengal. The absence of responsibility on the part of the company led to abuses of power and corruption. What are the merits of dual system? Point 1. End of struggle for supremacy between Nawab and British Company. Trick on European powers like French and Dutch. Protection from rebellions by the Indians. Clive could satisfy the directors of the British Company. Protection from the opposition by the Marathas. Economic benefits. Unstable system. Managed able and experienced employees. What are the demerits of the system? Separated power and responsibility, evil of individual trade, harm to Indian trade and Indian traders, spoiled administration, anarchy and chaos, bad effect on judicial system, and huge income to the company with no responsibilities. Let us discuss some features and effects of the dual system. The early mechanism of the establishment of company rule in Bengal followed the administrative system under the Mughals. The Mughal provincial administration had two main heads, Nizamat and Diwani. Nizamat was the administration of law and order and criminal justice. Diwani was the revenue administration and civil justice. The provincial Subedar was in charge of Nizamat, and the Diwan was in charge of the revenue administration. After the Treaty of Allahabad, the English East India Company was made the Diwan of Bengal, but Lord Clive chose not to be over the administration of Bengal directly. This responsibility was left to the Nawabs Naib Diwan and Naib Nizam Muhammad Raza Khan. As Naib Nizam, he was to represent the Nawab, and as Naib Diwan, he was to represent the company. Thus, the Nawab had to handle the entire responsibility for the civil and criminal justice administration. However, he had to function through Muhammad Raza Khan, who was placed under the superintendent's direction and control of the British Company. As the Diwan, the company directly collected its revenue, while through the right to nominate the deputy Nazim. It controlled the Nizamat or the police or judicial powers. This arrangement is known as dual or double government. Under this system, British had power and resources without responsibility, while the Nawab had the responsibility of the administration without power to discharge it. Thus, the Nawab had to take all responsibility for bad governance. The revenue remained the sole earning of the company in lieu of a meager annual payment to the Mughal emperor. Let us quickly revise the question answers at the back of the book. It is given in exercise D, the way we did in the last module. Start with question number 9. How did the appointment of a deputy Nawab by the East India Company affect the power of the Nawab? The answer is given on page number 20 under the heading, The Main Features of the Dual Government. The fourth point is related to Deputy Nawab. So you can write this point in your notebook as answer number 9. Question number 10. State the main features of the dual government of Bengal. The answer is on page number 20 under the heading, The Main Features of the Dual Government of Bengal. There are 5 features mentioned in the textbook. You have to write all 5 of them in points the way it is given in the textbook. Question number 11. What was the effect of the dual government of Bengal on the administration of Bengal? The answer is given again on the same page number 20 under the heading, Effects of the Dual Government System. 4 points are mentioned there as effects of the dual government. You need to write all those 4 points for your answer. Thank you, children. Stay home and stay safe.